Unit 1, Lab 3, Modern Art with Polygons, page 5. If it isn't open already, open your Unit 1 L3 pinwheel project from the previous page. Make sure you're logged in and save frequently. Before doing page 5, check your pinwheel block. I have this zoomed up, so yours probably doesn't wrap over to here. Just check these inputs and everything's dragged in the right place. I have a feeling that a lot of you didn't do this step here, where you're adding a multiplication by -1 so that you can input a positive backup but get an opposite result. Also important to note a few things for this lab. If backup is equal to size, then we get an asterisk. If backup is less than size, then we get a pinwheel. If backup is 0, then we get a polygon. The understanding of this relationship between asterisk, pinwheel, and polygon is important to the point of this page of the lab. Okay, step 2. Use your pinwheel block to create a more specialized asterisk block. First, make a new block called asterisk with 2 inputs, one for the number of branches and one for the length of each block. The length of each branch. Now, branch length is the same as size. We are giving it a name more apropos to asterisks. So, click in the black space, select Make a Block, call it asterisk, make it a command block that is a motion. I'm going to put in branches now, branches, branch length, because I know that those are going to be my inputs, so I'm just going to put them in now. Now I can create an input here called number of branches. And I can put an input here, oh, not there, called branch length. Let me just double check what they were telling you to call branches and length. All right. All right, but okay, so what's the code for this? The code for this is simply the pinwheel block. Oops, that's not it. So drag a pinwheel block into there. And now the question is, what do I do with these inputs? So again, I want an asterisk. If backup equals size, so, sorry, and I said that the size, geez, hold on a second. Okay, if backup equals size, then we get an asterisk. And branch length is the same as size. So I'm going to put branch length in both backup and in size, and then number of branches just goes here. Okay, Backup and size are now the same number, so that will only give me an asterisk. So I can use this pinwheel block to make an asterisk block. This is generalization, this is abstraction. Okay, where is it? There we go. Let's see if it works. 20. Branch length. I don't know, I like 100. Nice. Okay, so that worked. Okay, step 3. Now we're going to do a polygon block that uses pinwheel with appropriate inputs. So I right click, I select make a block. I'm going to call it polygon, and I'm going to give it a number of sides and a side length as inputs. So I'm just typing those input names now to save me a little time. Okay, so I click here. My input name will be sides, and here my input name will be length. Again, size and length, same thing. But I can't use the same name for the inputs, I think, as the internal code. All right, so branches is just going to be the same as sides. Side length is the same as size. And backup is just the number 0. Okay, so make that, click OK, and let's try it out. Number of sides, I don't know. How about an octagon with a size of 70? Now for some fun, you might want to play around with inputs in a script like this. Interesting. All right, here's more information. They're talking about debugging with pause all. And here's some explanation of some terms. All right, we did abstraction by generalization. We used pinwheel to make an asterisk and a polygon because we saw that they were related in these ways. Now, it's a little overcomplicated, but they're trying to teach you something, all right? What they're asking for you in step here is to write another version of Polygon built directly out of primitive blocks. That's what we did on Monday. So how simple can we make Polygon? Okay, the last step in the lab now is to make a new block with the inputs shown to make a simple polygon block that does not use pinwheel. I leave this part up to you. I suggest revisiting Unit 1 Lab 3 warm-up, okay? These are all the pieces needed, all right? You have to make this block, create these 2 inputs, and then put these pieces together to create just a simple polygon block that does not use pinwheel. Good luck. Let's hope the internet stays on. Save your work.